Hi guys, thank you so much for always coming back to this channel. I'm so excited and happy to always be a channel through which valuable informations are being brought to you and brought to many all over the world who watch this channel. Yes, it gives me joy when I search for opportunities and talk about them on this channel and see many watch them and take advantage of such opportunities. It gives me joy to see that the lives of many have been blessed, and I'm encouraged to do more. I'll keep doing more because I want to see your life. I want to see your life being blessed, being lifted. I want to see you grow. Yes, grow because it's information we all need. You just need a plug. Yeah, you need a plug to just get one or two information, and then that will be what will just take you all to great places you can't tell. So I'm glad I'm going to continue to also be a channel through which uh, I don't mean I'll be a YouTube channel. I mean, yeah, I'll be a source in which I'm going to pass informations. I'll be the one to I go about searching for these informations for you, and then I sit and talk about them and then upload them on this channel. So I want to encourage you to subscribe to this channel because you are definitely going to get value. Everything I talk about here is of value. So I want you to subscribe to this channel. And let me inform you right now, you've actually not received uh the plan I have for this channel. It's we're not there yet, but we're going there. And I want to I want to inform you that you're going to get a whole lot from this channel. So kindly subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, because you'll be notified anytime I drop a new video on this channel. YouTube would notify you, so you won't miss out. You won't be seeing the videos after 2 weeks. No, you should watch it immediately and take advantage immediately. You don't just sit back and wait, and no, take advantage immediately. No, content like this are not entertainment gist or gossip or comedy. These are things that would better the lives of many, you know, and you should also be a channel to share such videos. When you see such videos dropped on this channel, go ahead to share them. Share the link on the various WhatsApp groups. Share the links. You can't tell who you will be a blessing to by sharing the link. So go ahead to share the link and let people know that there are opportunities flying about for them. They can benefit from. They can benefit from. Yeah. And I'm so excited. If you are a youth, you are between the age of 18 to 35, there are a lot for you I'll be talking about on this channel. Women too, there are a lot for you because you see, many of these opportunities actually have age brackets, and they are mostly 18 to 35 years. So I want to encourage you, if you're a youth, you are young between the ages of 18 to 35 years, subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell, because you will be notified when I drop a new video. You see, today I want to talk to you about the Young Africa Works IITA project. It's an employment and entrepreneurship package, and this is the application for 2024. You see, Young Africa Works. When you hear of Young Africa Works, with the name IITA. IITA means International Institute of Tropical Agriculture. International Institute of Tropical Agriculture. When you hear of IITA, please don't joke at all. Just come and just grab your seat, sit down, take your pen and jot, and just get every details, because if you go for any IITA training, I can tell you your life would not remain the same again. Yeah, I can tell you about that because I've attended IITA training, and I know what I know the value I got from IITA training. No, this is not just any organization just organizing training for you to collect money. No, these are free trainings, but are loaded, packed. I can assure you, you will get the best from IITA training. You should not joke with it. If you've never gone for any, if and you are still within the age range I mentioned, I'm not saying you can't get training outside that age range, but me, I'm telling you, 18 to 35 years, you are still within the age of getting any you opportunities will just be slapping you left and right, left and right, left and right. Training opportunities, various training opportunities, especially if you are in Lagos, but also other states. But yes, IITA training, as I was saying, please don't joke with it if you've never gone for any. And IITA is, I know it's agriculture focused. So I'm not saying you're an engineer and then you start looking for an IITA training. I don't know if they do such, but I know of agriculture. So I want you to ensure that you attend one if you are into agriculture field. Be sure they have the area you are looking at, you are concerned about, and then you can attend one. So today I'm talking to you about the Young Africa Works IITA project for 2024. It's an initiative that is providing young people in Nigeria with startup, agricultural startup, and training is the Young Africa Works IITA project, as I mentioned earlier. Now, this was launched in May of this year by the International Institute of Tropical Agriculture for Tropical Agriculture (IITA) and the Mastercard Foundation. Yes, IITA in partnership with Mastercard Foundation. Yeah, the goal of this project is to give approximately 40,000 that is Nigerian youths, particularly women, access to agribusiness opportunities. You see, 40,000 Nigerian youths and particularly women. That's not saying you are a guy, you now decide not to apply. I'm telling you, I have gone for ITA training before and I've met several guys. I met several guys there. So don't think that because they say particularly women, you now sit back and say this one is a woman thing. No, apply, my guy, apply and go
Yes.
for this training because you will get the best. I can assure you, you get the best from this training. And even if it's women dominated, why can't you still go? Why can't you? Does that stop you? The main thing is you apply. If you are picked, then you go for it. Yes, you go for it. But the fact that you just see women focused and you decide not to apply, you've missed it. You've missed the point already. So apply for it. Its main goal is to give young people the tools they need to enhance their abilities, find good jobs, and start their own business so they can work in the agri-food value chains. You see the goal. Let me read it again. Its main goal is to give young people the tools they need to enhance their abilities, find good jobs, and start their own businesses so they can work in the agri-food value chains for the next 5 years with dignity and fulfillment. Come on, you should be among these 40,000. My guy, you should be among these 40,000. Don't miss this opportunity. Don't miss this opportunity. 40,000 young people, Nigerians, uh, to give them this abilities, to help them develop the abilities, find good jobs, and start their own business so they can work in the agri-food value chains for the next 5 years. Now let's see. The Young Africa Works IIT initiative collaborate with partners across multiple industries. And why? You see, to improve youth agriculture education. Youth agricultural education. That's the focus. This day we can see that agriculture actually is something that many youths don't take interest in anymore. Or let me say in this part of the world. Agriculture does not look like this hot cake, this sweet thing. You might have the passion, but because of the kind of people you see doing agriculture, you look at their financial status, you look at you run, you say, Omo, this one is not for me. I want the white collar guys, the oil and gas, petroleum, the tech guys. Those ones, they are the real fresh guys, the real money. So it looks so discouraging to say you want to be into agriculture, but no, the focus of this training is to improve youth agricultural education for you to be more oriented about agriculture. Now, another one is give young people, especially women, the skills they need to build successful business in agriculture and agro processing, and to complete more effectively for respectable jobs. I beg your pardon. It says not to complete, but it says uh, to build successful businesses in agriculture and agro processing, and to compete more effectively for respectable jobs. To compete more effectively, you see, agriculture is a noble career. I mean, farming rather. Farming is a noble career. It's a beautiful career. To call yourself a farmer, it's a thing of pride, but it's just because of the way it looks in this part of the world. So it's not something that people want to go into. Yes. So, but the focus of this is to uh, give young people the skills they need to build successful businesses in agriculture and agro processing, and to compete more effectively for respectable jobs. Now, the next focus is work with financial institutions that understand the unique needs of young people who are borrowing money for agriculture, to develop youth-sensitive loan programs and agribusiness support services. You see, so there's also a package on the area of loan, yes, for the beneficiaries. So you come to think of this, you should not miss this opportunity. Yes, you shouldn't. Now the next focus is to convert youth vocational training facilities into youth agribusiness parks, where young people can access opportunities, workspace, and experience learning. In order to receive their capacity to receive training and work within the supported value chain of rice, soybean, maize, cowpea, poultry, vegetable, mushroom, groundnut, fish, and cattle. The Young Africa Works IITA initiative is presently accepting applications from residents of Kaduna, Kano, and Lagos. Take note, the three states in which this training is focused at is resident of Kaduna, Kano, and Lagos. Kaduna, Kano, and Lagos. And I already listed the areas they are focusing on. Let me go over it again. The supported value chain of rice, soybean, maize, cowpea, poultry, vegetable, mushroom, groundnut, fish, and cattle. The Young Africa Works IITA initiative is presently accepting applications, and it's from this following states: Kaduna, Kano, and Lagos. The training and project will center on employment and entrepreneurship. Yes, those who would like to receive employment after the training, and those who actually are business oriented, either have started businesses in the line of this training, or wants to go into business in the line of this training. Now let's see what the entrepreneurship track focuses on. Several businesses and profitable agricultural models that appeal to young people have been identified under the curriculum. By the end of this training track, this will help the target beneficiaries create a bankable business plan to make it easier for people to access credit and funding sources. The Young Africa Works IITA project has worked with financial institutions like NASA and Sterling Bank. The project will make post-training support more accessible. Now let's see the employment track. This training attempts to better match these two interests because the program is aware of the skills gap that exists between young people and future employers. Can see. Now, this will be carried out through mentorship and commercial internships to further enhance skill development and obtain better employment. Youth who take part in the employment track training will be provided assistance to find decent jobs through professional placement services. Now let's see the qualifications for the Young Africa Works IITA initiative. Let's see the requirement for you to partake in this training. The first on the list is that the age you need to fall between the age of 18 to 35 years. You know, I mentioned it earlier on, 18 to 35 years. If you are between this age range, please open your ears. Opportunities are flying around, several opportunities. But these things you might not get to hear about them because these are not gist that go viral, like entertainment and gossip and all that. But I can tell you that if you are hungry for opportunities, you are in search of opportunities, opportunities are flying around. You can benefit from several opportunities if you are under this age range. Now, the next on the list is must be ordinarily resident in the respective municipal area and live within 5 kilometer radius of a cluster. Uh, you can know more about that on the website. Now, must have attained at least junior secondary school SS3, JSS3, junior secondary school. For entrepreneurship track, that's for entrepreneurship track, JSS3, and a diploma for employment track. Now, you need to have willingness to commit at least 6 weeks for the training. 6 weeks for the training. Now, the next is you must demonstrate passion for agriculture. You must demonstrate passion for agriculture. You don't just apply because of what you want to get. Maybe you hear there'll be package for you, loan, and no, that's not why you should apply. You should have passion for agriculture. Now, you should also have interest in the project focus commodities. Whatever area you have chosen to focus on, be it vegetable, mushroom, soybean, you should have interest in that area. Now, you must have access to a functional mobile phone. You need to have access to a mobile phone, a functioning one. Now, affiliation to a registered association is an added advantage. If you are registered to an association, maybe association of vegetable growers, different agricultural association or cooperative societies is an advantage for you. Now, upon successful completion of the training program, a certificate will be awarded to you. You get a certificate, yes. So, this opportunity is one you should not miss, as I've said earlier on. If you are between the age range I mentioned, so there's a link in the description below. I want you to click that link so you can uh, apply for this opportunity. Click the link, apply for this opportunity. Don't waste time. Apply immediately. Yes, thank you for watching. I'm sure you have gotten value from this video. I want you to subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so anytime I drop a new video, you will be notified. Do that. Do that and share this video to as many you know who would need such opportunities. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye.